It's your girl Esther. I'm super excited. So if you are watching this video, just know it's my birthday. Yes, it's my birthday, and I want you to wish me happy birthday, because it's not easy to add another year.
Yes, sir.
It's not easy.
Yes.
If you are watching this clip, please say a word of prayer for me. God will bless you. God will bless your family. Wish me what you wish yourself. It's been the Lord all the way. The Lord has kept me to see this day, and I'm super excited. So I'm using this opportunity to invite you. Later tonight, I'll be having a Thanksgiving and praise session to the glory of God. Join me on my LS at Esther's Chronicles. Let's thank God together. Rejoice with me. Today is my birthday. Thank you all. Please keep supporting your girl. Keep loving. Let's share the love. Please like this video. Drop me a comment. Share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. A queen is born. Yes, a queen is born. It's not easy. A queen is born. So see you later today. Meanwhile, just enjoy this clip. Watch and pray for me. God bless you. It's your girl Esther. It's your girl Esther.
Aha!